Alright, what is going on, guys? Now, this is going to be the final video in the Introduction to Java series, and this is going to be the Java for Beginners Module 4 quiz. So, as we know, a method that does not have a return value is void, and then rearrange the code to declare a method that returns the square of its argument. So first we have the main method, we initialize it, we return it, boom. We can also, instead of writing this, we can just put this down here, but that's for a later time. Fill in the blanks to declare a method that takes one argument of type int and returns the factorial of that number. The factorial is the product of all whole numbers from 1 to the given number. Alright, so we have a public fact. So that takes a type of int, and then we have dot till num res times I. Oh, I don't know why that's giving me an I. Yeah, and then return. That should work. Oh, the I is off. Oh, it's an X. It's an X. Sorry, guys. It's an X. And no. X chat. That should work now. Perfect. Now fill in the blanks to create a method called check that takes two parameters, a name and an age, and then output the name if the age is greater than 17 and error if it is not. So the return type is going to be, I believe it's just void because you're not really returning anything. So the void, and then we'll have the brackets, I think, right here, the brackets. They almost got me here, honestly. And then return the name. So return name, else that. Perfect. So that is going to end it. And I'm actually going to claim the certificate in front of you guys right here. So if you followed along with me, um, you should have gotten this certificate, which you can put into your LinkedIn, um, share on social media, just so you have a little bit of credibility that you stuck through this um, entire course, did it with me. And yeah, so the next series is going to start pretty soon, but the Java Intermediate course, but that is going to be in the next series. So subscribe if you are new. Um, I'll definitely be releasing more tutorials, not on just Java, on Python and other languages as well. So uh, leave a sub, and I'll see you guys in the next video.